Good morning, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. DHHS Person with COVID-19 rode Concord Coach Lines bus 4 times. Health officials announced 7 new positive COVID-19 tests in state. Possible exposure dates. Take a look right here. March 11th at 3:15 a.m. from Concord to Logan Airport. March 13th at 5:40 p.m. from Logan Airport to Littleton. March 14th at 5 a.m. from Concord to Logan Airport. And March 16th from 1:40 p.m. from Logan to Concord. A person with COVID-19 rode in Concord Coach Lines buses 4 times earlier this month. New Hampshire Department of Health and Human Services officials said Tuesday. The person rode the following buses according to officials. On March 11th, 3:15 a.m. bus from Concord, New Hampshire to Boston Express Londonderry South Station, Boston Logan Airport. And then on March 13th at 5:40 p.m., bus from Boston Logan Airport South Station, Concord, New Hampshire, Tilton, Plymouth, Laconia, and Littleton. On March 14th at 5 a.m., bus from Concord, New Hampshire to Boston Express Londonderry to Boston Express Salem to South Station to Boston Logan Airport. And then on March 16th at 1:40 p.m., bus from Boston Logan Airport South Station to Concord, New Hampshire. Health officials said the 4 bus trips represent potential community exposure of the coronavirus. They said that anyone who rode on those buses should stay at home and monitor their health for fever or respiratory illnesses. Anyone on those buses who later developed symptoms should stay away from others and immediately contact their healthcare provider, officials said. Concord Coach Line officials released a statement Tuesday night. Concord Coach Lines worked closely with New Hampshire DHHS to provide the names of the passengers that were on the bus with this individual so they could be notified. The drivers of these trips were taken out of service as soon as we learned that a rider had tested positive for COVID-19. They have not shown any symptoms during their ongoing self-isolation. Concord Coach is taking dramatic steps to clean and disinfect our buses, and we're encouraging smart precautions like spreading out on the bus. Many people, including healthcare workers, rely on our services for essential travel, but we are assessing whether it is prudent for us to continue to operate. Meanwhile, officials announced 7 new positive tests for COVID-19 in New Hampshire. The cases involve 6 men and 1 woman. The new patients are from Rockingham 4, Grafton 1, and Hillsborough 1 counties. Officials said 3 of the new cases have no identified risk factors, which can be evidence of community transmission in the state. The remaining 4 cases involved people who either traveled domestically or internationally or had direct contact with a person diagnosed with COVID-19, officials said. 1 of the new patients is hospitalized, resulting in a total of 13 hospitalizations out of 108 total cases in the state, officials said. 1 death in the state has been attributed to COVID-19, health officials announced on Monday. And that does it for my morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your day. And I'll see you back here later on today for another news report. Goodbye, everyone.